Hello, want to make your own lavalier microphone? It's easy. Today I'll show you every step to build a DIY lavalier mic with a custom cable length. To do this you'll need an electret condenser microphone capsule. You can use almost any type. The link is in the video description. You will also need a cable with at least 2 wires, a multimeter, heat shrink tubing, and a basic soldering toolkit. The first step is to identify the positive terminal of the microphone capsule. If the multimeter beeps, indicating continuity, the terminal you're touching is the negative, ground terminal. If the multimeter doesn't beep, indicating no continuity, the terminal you're touching is the positive terminal. This is because the metal casing of the microphone capsule is connected to ground. Next, take an old headphone cable, cut off the end, and carefully remove the outer cable jacket without damaging the wires inside. Tin all the wires. Then use a multimeter to identify which wire color is connected to the first, second, and third contacts of the 3.5 mm jack. Twist the wires from the first and second contacts together. Since I'm using only one microphone capsule and making a mono lavalier microphone, solder the wires from the first and second contacts to the positive terminal of the microphone capsule, and solder the wire from the third contact to the ground terminal. After soldering, check with a multimeter to make sure there are no short circuits and that connections are correct. Now connect the lavalier microphone to your recorder and test it. Nice, it works. You can also make a stereo lavalier microphone the same way. Simply solder a second microphone capsule to the second contact and connecting the ground terminals of both microphone capsules to the third contact of the jack. You can also make a lavalier microphone using a cable with a 4-pole 3.5 mm jack. Just remember that the first and second contacts are used for the microphone signal, while the third and fourth contacts are connected to ground. To securely mount the microphone capsule, cut a piece of heat shrink tubing slightly smaller than the capsule's diameter, then carefully stretch it so it fits over the capsule. Apply a small amount of hot glue around the wires and cable, slide the heat shrink tubing into place, then add a drop of super glue to the microphone capsule and attach the heat shrink tubing. This creates a strong, durable mount that will last much longer without problems. As you saw in this video, it's really easy to make your own custom length lavalier microphone. Next time I'll show you how to make a 3.5 mm adapter cable that lets you connect to lavalier microphones for stereo recording. It's especially useful if you want to make binaural recordings,